videos.
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Lancaster, a peaceful and family-friendly neighborhood in the southeast corner of Red Deer, Alberta. This area is known for its well-kept homes, tree-lined streets, and wide open green spaces. Lancaster is made up of smaller communities like Lancaster Green and Lancaster Meadows, each offering a mix of single-family homes, townhouses, and low-rise condos. The Collicutt Center, a major hub for sports and recreation, sits right in the heart of the neighborhood, making it easy for families to stay active year-round. With walking trails, quiet parks, and friendly neighbors, Lancaster feels like a small town within the city, a perfect spot to enjoy a relaxed and connected lifestyle. Red Deer is a growing city in central Alberta, located between Calgary and Edmonton. The city started as a stopping place for travelers and fur traders in the 1800s, thanks to its location by the Red Deer River. The river's name comes from early settlers who called the local elk Red Deer. Today, Red Deer is a busy city known for its parks, trails, and outdoor spaces. It's surrounded by farmland and rolling hills, with the beautiful Rocky Mountains not far to the west. The city has a strong history in farming, oil, and trade, and it remains a welcoming place where people enjoy a mix of nature and community life. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Red Deer, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.